Hello friends, welcome to Autocar Vlogs. So today we'll be giving you the review of this Amazon product, which is car tire inflator, and that would be a real-time user review and how it behaves today, means how it works. So that would be sharing with you on this channel. So let's just open this box now. So I have taken out this product and will be using it to give you the review. So let's just power on this product with this power cord. You have to put this product inside your cigarette lighter of your car. So I'll be putting it inside my cigarette lighter, which is this one. So let's just insert this like this, and for that we have to start the engine to work because it requires really high load. So the engine is started and you guys can see the meter is showing as 00. So once we put this this cord inside the tires, so it will give you the actual reading. So hello friends, right now on my rear tire it is showing the value as 27.5, okay, which is quite lower than the required value. So it should be of around 32 as per the car manufacturer's recommended value. So what we'll be doing is we'll be setting out the value. We'll just use this buttons to set out the value 32. Okay, set. So the value is already set 32. So what we'll be doing is we are just switching on this button and it will start doing its work. Actually it will create some noise, but yeah, we have to bear it. And the machine will stop at the value of 32. So you can see the machine stopped automatically once it reaches to 32 value psi. Okay, so that's what the advantage of this digital gauge is. Means you have the options to set the value, you have the options to automatically stop the machine, so you don't even have to care of any tire burst or any any carelessness issue of using this product. So it's a quite a handy product. And the last but not the least is the emergency light. So you have the options to use this button to power on this flashlight. So let's just use this one. So here it is white. So this is the main use of this product. Okay, so let's just so that's what we have for this review for this product. I hope you like this video, and so please share, subscribe, and you can you can view the unboxing video of this product in the description. In the description you will find that link. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.